How to set the primary mouse button to the left side or the right side on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. Then we scroll down and tap on Mouse and Trackpad. After that, tap on Primary Mouse button and then choose left or right. So here I have set it to right, so I need to click on the right side of my mouse as the primary mouse button. And now I have changed it to left, so now I will use the left button to click on the menu items. So here, when I change it to right, you see I need to press on the right side. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.